Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Ambush Air Adjust Force SP. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Ambush Air Adjust Force SP. We've got this in the light mudder root burgundy crush colorway. In the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So this is a collaboration between Nike and Ambush, Yoon Ahn's brands, and she's been at the forefront of when it comes to like female sneakers, just presently and recently, I would say. She dresses so dope. I love her style. She's amazing, and it's only right that her partnership with Nike continues. And this is, to my knowledge, I think it's like the third silhouette she's done with Nike. She's done a couple of dunks with Nike with that, you know, extended swoosh to come. Obviously, time of recording this episode of Oneupreviewz reviews. We're in November, and there's been pictures of the Air Force One, and that looks so dope. There's a green and yellow and a blue and yellow, but I think there's something about like basketball sneakers that Yoon has just, you know, laser focused on. And like Virgil Abloh before her, she has delved deep into Nike archives and decided to do a collaboration, put her little, you know, designs, her fingerprints all over the Nike Air Adjust Force. So let's get unboxing. So forgetting the Ambush that's on the box here, and you know, you got that. It's that special edition Nike boxes come in the black box. Paper that comes in, Ambush, and here it is. Really nice. It's like a hyperfuse orange color. I'm big on this one. It's really dope. So like I said, she's delved into the archives and pulled out a very obscure Nike basketball sneaker that came out in the 90s. To my knowledge, I remember David Robertson when he wore these for San Antonio. But there's a picture that the Air Adjust Force was worn by a young Vince Carter when he was in UNC. Obviously, we'll have that UNC colours, and those are, to my knowledge, the only two basketball players I've seen that have worn them. But obviously, those names are like big names. Dave Robinson from San Antonio Spurs, he won rings, and we don't have to talk about Vince Carter so much because he's, you know, Mr. Highlight Reel himself. But this was when he was in UNC, so it's his college days. It wasn't when he was in the NBA. Dope that, you know, Yoon has picked such a very fashion-forward line, and obviously Ambush as a design label, as a fashion brand, she pushes the boundaries as well. So it's really dope that she's incorporated her background there with this sneaker and the colorway itself. The other colorway, there was a blue and red, which I found was really dope, but we were only able to get a pair in this like hyper orange, which is a nice color in itself. Anyways, let's get into the details, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole, so you see those orange parts, but you can see the speckled like herringbone part that makes the majority of the outsole. It is part of the Nike craft, so Nike grind, sorry. So you've got recycled, grinded, old Nike product or Nike rubber, and it's all used here. So we've done tons of reviews on like Nike craft, Kratos technology, and it's incorporated in this pair of Air Adjust Force. So you can see it with speckled effect right there. You can see a Nike swoosh, and the strap, it's a removable strap, which we'll get onto when we show the upper, but you can see the Air logo that connects it. Midsole unit, so it's a foam midsole, so you can see this wavy design here all around, and a painted over air unit. So you can, obviously this little bubble here, obviously it's not transparent, it's painted orange. So there's, otherwise the normal pair, it's a visible air unit. The upper uses levers, and obviously you got, you know, the strap that makes this sneaker called the Air Adjust strap force. And obviously you can adjust the tightness of it to your feet. It's a leather upper that's underneath this strap, and to me, like, this toe box shape reminds me of the Air Max 95. It's almost recognizable. Laces, you got rolled laces, speed lacing fastening. You can see it there in this maroon, and you got orange aglets. The strap itself, it's got like a dual Nike logo, and more looking at the strap, you can see the ambush. I'll take the strap out. Take it off, see what it looks like without it. So this is what the sneaker looks like without the strap. So you look at the strap itself, it's like a harness. And so you got the Nike swoosh on the lateral side and the medial side in this like burgundy colorway. And it looks like a normal running sneaker, to be fair. It doesn't scream basketball, in my personal opinion, because it's so low cut. Other than that, it's a gorgeous orange tint here. It's like a peach orange. On the tongue, very nicely padded. Nike swoosh there. You can see the visible mesh there. Also, the ankle support that surrounds it, so it's like a booty system, it's like a sock liner. You can see a support there, sock line. And the insole, you got a Nike swoosh, it's a padded insole, you know, with the foam. And looking at the heel, you got 2 pull tabs, the ambush logo there, and this like microfiber suede right there. Cool, and that rounds off my review. Really excited to try these on. Never tried on a pair of Air Adjust Force, so this is pretty dope. We're gonna try it with the straps, so I don't want to take that away. You know, that's the main part of the sneaker. Let's not take that main essence away from the review. So this is gonna be on whilst we do this on feet review. So without further ado, without footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you're true to size Nike fit. I am a UK size 7.5 for Nike, and these fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. Now, in regards to, you know, how they feel a bit tight on, but obviously this being a basketball sneaker, you need that lockdown support. So obviously your shoes don't fall when you're, you know, traversing across the court. The strap is really dope. It does kind of feel a bit tighter around the inside of my feet right there, and I feel like the strap is helping it support it. And other than that, these look really cool on. Yoon from Ambush has done a great job, and if you're able to get a pair, I suggest you get a pair. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. Until next time, peace.